runner, Jacob. We're going to open Tilly's surprise egg Kinder Egg toys. Kinder surprise. Kinder Egg surprise.
Oh my there we go.
And now we're going to surprise.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open it. So let's go ahead and open it.
Okay.
We bought it at a Shell's gas station, and we're so excited.
Let's get this. I'm gonna get this part. And this part.
You got it, Jacob? Do you need? Oh, Jaden, open yours first. Bella, do you want to help Jacob?
Yeah.
Sometimes we need a little help.
My big family.
Uh-huh.
Can I see?
My field spell activate. My monster's effect activate.
I didn't see it.
Okay, hold on. Hold on.
Field spell activates.
So.
Alright, let's see.
Alright, so how does this work? Hold on.
What is this?
How does that work? Why is it separate like that?
This is a spoon. This is because there's a snack and there's a toy.
Oh.
It's chocolate. Let's see if the chocolate's in here.
Let's see.
You need your spoon. Let me help you, Jacob. Spoon.
Jacob
think
needs
it
help.
is. No.
Wait, don't open that one, baby. Not yet.
Wait a minute.
Oh, no,
it's
this
not
is
candy. It's toys.
Yes, it's also candy.
No.
Wait, no,
See,
Lani.
No, listen, what is that?
Wait, no, Lani.
Look at the snack. Give me.
Whoa, yummy
Yeah,
snack.
give me.
Okay, that's a snack.
Jacob, you say please.
Please. Okay, guys, remember, always say please
And thank you.
and thank you.
Yeah.
Very important. Yum, we're eating our snacks first. Jaden is having a hard time there.
Look at
Oh,
that.
there we go.
It's chocolate.
And it comes with a little
Try
spoon.
it, Jaden. Wait,
Try it.
go. Give it a try. Go, give it a try. Give it a scoop. Is it hard?
No.
You just like to
it is
mix it?
hard.
No, he just want to put the cream on top of the chocolate.
Time to eat.
Um,
Yum, yum, yum.
Me. My turn.
Time to eat.
It's tasty.
It is so tasty.
Yeah, I don't eat. One mine just jumped down.
It's like a chocolate channel.
I'm going to
Okay.
eat this right now.
Yum, yum, yum. Oh, look, there's more chocolate in there. Can mommy have some? That looks so good.
Yeah.
Mmm.
It's chocolate on mine.
Mmm. That's so good and crunchy.
The
Oh, you're
chocolate-
giving me some too?
The chocolate my Kinder Egg surprise and Kinder Egg surprise is it's crunchy.
Yummy. Okay, so what do we have for toys? No.
I believe.
Wait.
I think I saw.
Let's
Lego.
see.
Yeah, Lego.
Boys, you want to open your egg surprise, your toys? I'm sure all the kids want to see what it is.
Oh look, what is that? What kind of animal is that?
Ooh,
Something
What?
about dinosaurs. Oh look, you have to connect
Dinosaurs.
Ooh. Look, kids, these are important. The manual.
Manual.
They could
There we
be
go.
About very, very important stuff.
With instructions.
this
To
is a
help you.
dog.
What is that, Jaden?
He's a puppy.
Oh, and you put it together already?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so clever. You put the doggy together already.
And these all comes with
Let
a
me see the
man.
manual. Alright, so these are supposed to connect in some sort of way.
Okay, so let's follow step 1.
It says this thing with these
I'm
two
calling him
things.
Scrubbles.
What is his name?
His name is Rubble.
There you go.
I wonder what Rebel thinks.
Rubble builds stuff.
Rebel, what do you think?
I think I
Woof,
I
woof,
love
think
it.
it's
I want to
wonderful.
play with it. Oh my gosh! Wonderful!
You have chocolate on your face.
Dinosaur.
Is Bella helping you build it?
Yes.
How you doing, Bella?
Complicated.
Uh-oh. A little complicated. That's not good. So that means we might need assistance from a big sister, a big brother, or a mom or dad. Are you done with your chocolate? Yum.
It was delicious.
Yeah, it was delicious.
Trying to make us feel bad. I'm eating my cream.
Yum. Does it look good?
Yeah. I'm like, oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
It's not fair.
There we go. Bella got it. Let's see.
Oh, the manual.
Okay, you want your cat?
That's manual and that's
No, that's not a cat. It's a
Right.
dog.
It's a doggy.
Person.
It's doggy.
I believe it's supposed to be like a spinner or something. Right?
Yeah, it looks like a little spinner.
Whee!
What? There you have it, a little spinner.
If you do know what it is, leave a
Comment.
a comment.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is our first video. That is wonderful.
More cream.
The dog is eating more cream. Yummy.
It trapped itself.
So we'll open some more toys, do some more exploration. Here.
And one day, me or Bella will make our own video.
Mm-hmm.
And when we do make it, don't forget to subscribe to ours. Unknown video.
And
We're
me and
gonna see if JD has more subscribers, or Jacob, or me, or Bella. Let's see.
Me and Jacob
Let's see who's the best.
We will get lots
And
of.
attractive.
Me and Jacob will get lots of videos.